push is a method, functionality for your array, which is pretty basic and standard. Pretty much everyone learns it out of the gate when working with arrays. And not only does it end values to the end of your array, it appends them to the end. So if I wanted to push 7, it would add it right after 6. But another really interesting aspect of it is that it actually returns the length of your array, which is very, very handy actually. I didn't know this for the longest time. I only used it to append things to the end. So let's see an example of this. We have numbers array, and let's just add 7 to it. And we see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's pretty cool. But what if we wanted to check out the length? And we see that it is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is how you use push. If you like this stuff, like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for tuning in.